if you want to update your Apple Watch, all you have to do is just to go to the Watch application and now go to the My Watch on the left bottom corner and select General Settings. When the update is available, you can actually find this red icon next to the software update, but sometimes you will have to just open this one and simply refresh the list like so to get the new updates. And it's also necessary to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And now if I want to install this software update, I will have to click on installation button. There's the short notification. So Apple Watch will try to install this update later tonight. And once you actually put your Apple Watch on the charger, it will actually start updating your device just right now. There we go. You have to get enough battery to perform that update, but also you have to put it on your charger. So that's basically everything. I hope you find it useful.